What's up, Internet? Current 1776 here with mission 101, the 101st BattlBox. Let's see what's in the box, y'all. All right. So, we got a mission brief right here. Pick of the items, a little write-up from yours truly. And then we've got our basic, advanced, pro, and pro plus levels. So, first up, Afterbite Natural Itch Relieving Balm with oatmeal and camphor. Put some of that camphor on there. So this stuff actually works pretty dang good. Get some on your finger, rub it on the bite site. Relieves itch caused by insect bites, including mosquitoes, biting flies, ants, bees. It has a pretty good smell to it too. It doesn't have like a medicine-y smell. Once you use all this up, you can use this as a tin for char cloth or small fishing kits. Anything that comes in the little metal tins, I dig that because you can repurpose those. These freaking turds, they like to bite you and suck your blood and do all the other stupid crap that insects do, right? All right, so next up in the basic box is a member recommended item. It's recommended by Bourbon Bill. Bourbon Bill, you can find him on Instagram, on YouTube, Facebook, just the whole nine, right? So props to him, props to Model for the Infinity modular straps right here. Awesome piece of kit. You got 4 of them here. You got 2 shorts, 2 longs. You can wear them like a bracelet as you see here. You can link them together to make a longer one. You can use it to lash things together. You can use it to lash bedrolls together, sleeping gear together. You can lash things to the handlebars of a bicycle, ATVs, 4-wheelers, side-by-sides. You can use it to, in a pinch to strap your bumper to back up to your truck so it don't fall off going down the road. Tons of uses. They are stretchy. Each one has its own stud link. You can attach it to another or attach it to itself. You can use these for freaking most anything. All right, so the third and final item in the basic box is an item that I've been testing for over a year and a half. Freaking works great. And what I'm talking about is body armor pack vent. So it promotes airflow across your back. It sucks, you take your backpack off and your entire back is freaking wet. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I was so skeptical. I didn't believe it. That's what I'm trying to say. Put this thing on here, started using it. I didn't have back sweat problems anymore. Freaking works. It's great. I love it. And again, comes with your Velcro there so that you can stick this on your pack or stick this onto your body armor. Does the same thing with that. Not only is it going to give you a little bit of cushion, but also give a little bit of space for airflow to help you not be so dab burn hot when you've got body armor on. So now it's time for the advanced box. In the advanced box this month, we've got an item that is staff recommended from Will Connor. Will works at the warehouse, freaking awesome dude, and he is a gear junkie just like the rest of us. Gear Aid BALTA hatchet. Perfect little camp axe or camp hatchet. Isn't that nice? Great packaging. So here is your BALTA hatchet. Excellent size, great camp hatchet. Got a really nice angle here on the bevel. Great for splitting small pieces of wood for kindling and things like that. We've got nice 90-degree edges. I really like this area here where you can choke up really well if you want to do fine work. This molded grip is really good. It's got kind of a hexagonal kind of design to it. It's very grippy. You can use this to drive in stakes or hammer things. Then here on the bottom we've got a lanyard hole and we've got a stake puller. You can clip it to your belt if you want to, but it's a great hatchet. It's balanced very well. It feels great in the hand. Excellent little camp axe. Okay, dokie, it's time for the Pro Box. In the Pro Box this month, we've got a backpack from RUCK and River called the YONAH backpack. A lot of us don't want to bring attention to ourselves when we're out and about, especially in an urban environment. This backpack is gray and again, not completely covered in moly. It does have strapping. It's got 2 here across the front and it's got some along this one side right here. You got a nice overmolded handle here up at the top. But this is an expandable pack. So this furthermost zipper here expands this pack from an 8-inch width to a 13-inch width. So this can become a rather large pack. So 5 inches of expandability. Polyester fabric 600D all the way around. Very well built, well constructed. DEFCON 5 does a really good job. And we called it the YONAH. All right, it's time for the Pro Plus box. In the Pro Plus box this month, we got 2 items. So we got your knife and we got an item to go along with it. So the knife this month is made in the USA, KERSHAW LEEK. Right here in the box, KERSHAW LEEK. Now this has become one of my favorite EDC blades. I got mine right here in my pocket now. Check that dude out, it's lovely. KERSHAW LEEK, made in the USA. Overall length 7 inches, blade length 3 inches, handle length would be 4 inches, and the blade is made of 14 C28N steel, and it freaking opens smooth as can be. The KERSHAW LEEK is one of the sleekest and most popular assisted opening frame lock knives ever produced. Assisted opening knives are great for a couple of reasons. One, and when it's cold outside and you may have gloves on and you got low dexterity in your hands, it's easy to open. And 2, some people lack the ability in their hands. They don't have the motor skills that they used to. Could be an elderly person or whatever, and they want a cool freaking knife and they want to be able to open it quickly. And this helps with that. Just a little push with the little flipper tab. You just give it a little push and it simply opens effortlessly. It's just a great knife. Made in the USA, KERSHAW, Ken Onion, assisted opening, can't beat it. To go along with this knife, we've got the KERSHAW TX2. So as time goes on, especially as Pro Plus subscribers, you get a lot of knives. You need to do maintenance on these knives, right? At some point, and sometimes you have to fix knives. This little tool right here is an excellent tool for working on your blades, your knives. Just take your top off right here. You can dump out your bits. So we've got 5 bits here that are common sizes when it comes to knives, right? So it's small, compact, you can keep it in your pack. If I want to move this from tip down carry to tip up carry, break out my old tool right here, take my clip, swing it around. It's a great repair tool. You've got a clip on here. If you're a pocket guy, you like to put stuff in your pocket, you got a clip on here. You can take that off. All the bits fit right on the inside right here. I dig this, yeehaw. So that's mission 101 of BattlBox, folks, here July 2023, yeehaw. So I appreciate you guys watching. I love all of you, I mean it. Oh, and be on the lookout for later this month for us down in Texas, shooting tanks and all sorts of other cool stuff going down.
So that's how you do it. You don't want to hold something like this, even if you're tapping easy just to get it started. Use a stick. I've been doing it like that for years, and sometimes you get complacent. Ask me how I know.
Oh, when I come home, glory, hallelujah.
Yeah, that happened.